Guys, this tutorial is the continuation of string method tutorial. In today's video, we are going to discuss what are built-in string ljust, rjust function in Python. You must be knowing left text align, right text align, and center align on the Microsoft Word document. If I open the Microsoft Word document, so there is a one line. This is by default center align, right? If you click on the left, so it will be aligned left, right? If you click on right, so it will align this line at the right side. And we have one more button that will make your paragraph justified, okay, which means it will create a clean look along the left and right side of the page. Okay, the same type of functionality, left align and right align, we are going to see in our today's video. We will see two function, ljust and rjust function in Python, which are built-in function on string type. So now let's get started with our today's video. First we will see what is ljust function. So as you know, the ljust function will left align the string using a specified character as the fill character. So let me take one string, okay, so s1, and I want to make this string left justify, okay. So what I will do, I will use one function ljust, and this function is expecting width and fill characters, two parameter is it is expecting 15 characters, right? So what would happen in the result, you will see left align this coding text and rest of the characters, right, will be filled as white space, okay. If you run the program, so however you cannot see it right from the left, text is left justified, but if you want to check how many characters it is filled space, so you can specify any of the character, right? Let me make hash, so it will show you total 15 characters, right, with this word, but rest of the character will be filled with this fill character symbol, right? You see, you can specify anything, right? If you want to put dollar, it will show you the dollar, right, in your fill characters, okay. So now this coding text is left justify. By default, white space is added, okay. If you want to replace your white space with any other character, you can use the character. We have one more scenario in left just function. Many a times we want to show our output in form of rows and columns, right, in the output window. Sometimes we need it. So how we can use ljust function to show this type of output, right, rows and columns with left justified text, okay. For example, I have some list, right, where each item of list is as a list, okay. If you print data, so it will show you the output very weird, right? Like this. Oh, it is not readable, right? If you want to make this complete output in rows and columns in a better format, okay, so ljust function will help you to make it more cleaner, okay. So how we can do it? For I in data, right? For loop, right? For let's say item in I, okay, and then we can use print, and we can convert this item into the string format, okay. And then we can now apply ljust function on it. We want to make this each value will be left justify in total 15 characters, right? And I want to specify my fill character as a blank, right, this value, okay. And at the end I want to leave this blank value, right? It should not be anything, right? So next line will start immediately, okay. So this is the only thing we have to do, and we can use just print a simple function, right, like here, okay. If you're in the program, you will be able to see your data into this cleaner format, right? You see, so name, country, and mobiles, so each value, right, is left justify with 15 characters, right, wherein we have used fill character as this blank value, okay. By using two for loops, and using this blank print function will give you this type of output, but you have to use ljust function. So now let's see what is rjust function in Python. So rjust function will write align the string, right, using a specified character as the fill character. It has also two parameters, length and fill character. Okay, fill character, you can use any of the character as a fill character. Okay, want to use s2 string result 1 s2 dot rjust, right? And I want to say 20. Okay, print result, and if you run the program, so you will see the text coding would be right aligned. You see, it is right justify. Here we have left few white spaces, right? Out of 20, we have 6 characters inside, 14 characters are added as blank, okay, on the left, okay, but text is right justified. So this is how it works. If you want to specify any other character as a fill space, you can use, okay, you want to use asterisk, so it will add asterisk as a white space, okay, you see. So this is how it works. That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.